Hey yo guys, it's Gus Fring here. Today I'll be giving you a tour of Los Pollos Hermanos here in New Mexico. So, follow me and I'll show you everything. So as you can see, we got the outside and it's a pretty nice looking building. Got that nice Los Pollos Hermanos on the front of the building.
Okay guys, now we're in the dining room. This is where you eat your food, you eat your chicken nuggets, your chicken nuggets with your sauce.
This is where you, where you order your food. What would you like there? Chicken nuggets.
This is where we bake our finest world-famous chicky tenders. Chicky tenders. Chicky tenders. Chicky tenders.
Finally, these are the back rooms. If I ever catch you in the back rooms, you're dead. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of Los Pollos Hermanos. Please come back for our finest chicken tenders.